This is how the heater works. We have these squiggly lines, that is our heat. We've got the fan that just blows air. We have settings. You can also set a calendar, like on a schedule, on how you want this to heat. But for the typical heating, how we want to do this is just click the interior button here on. You can set the temperature. Usually I'll do this or something like in the morning. Usually when we've used this has been in the morning. I'll either schedule it to go on at like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. When it starts getting hot and we're about to wake up. But for the sake of this, I'll just show you how to do it. So let's say I want to do 85 degrees. I want some hot air to come through, and I want to go for 30 minutes. I just click on. You'll see this red light illuminate, and then I'll start to go on. And then what you'll hear is you'll start to hear the fan and stuff start coming out of this, and then you should start feeling hot air come out from here. You'll see the exhaust too on the outside. Comes in here, and you can do this with the rig on or off. That's how that works. So that'll go for 30 minutes. Now turn it off. You just click here again and hit off, and now you're off. Now there are times if this hasn't been used in a while, it may throw an error code, and we just have to clear that out. So in order to do that, we just hit this setting, and then there's this little back button here that will hold for a few seconds, and then it'll say workshop. Okay, and we'll turn from language to start to air memory. Click air memory, and then we'll go to the air, or we'll go control unit. Usually click air, and then you can either read or delete. So if you read, there are no errors right now, but sometimes this does happen. We'll click back, and we want to delete all the errors. That will just reset it, and then your heater should be working again. So other than that, pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out.